Have you got any tips for escaping the pentatonic scale?
Escaping the pentatonic scale.
I get stuck in it each time I play.
I love the pentatonic scale. So,
I love it, but I just can't get out of it.
The major and minor pentatonic scale is, I mean, it's kind of the basis of so much. And but yeah, I mean, taking more of an approach with like jazz scales, like the Dorian scale is something that I use a lot.
Yeah, I know Robin Trower uses that.
Yeah, the Dorian scale is a big one for me, and the Ionian. But you know, escaping some things like that, but also, I mean, the pentatonic scale can be just used in so many different ways. So like if you're having trouble escape from like the pentatonic scale, like you can still use the pentatonic scale, but also like create more with it, you know, because I mean, look at B.B. King, you know, I mean, he kind of made a career on the pentatonic scale, you know, and it's unbelievable every time, you know, and it's just how you use it. And it's not so much, for me personally, and this is just my opinion, it's not so much about the notes. It's about how you play the notes.
The phrasing?
Yeah, phrasing, but also the space in between the notes. And just like the way that you play, you know. You can have like this, we can have the exact same gear, you know, the same amps, same guitars, same pedals, same chords, same everything, same strings, whatever. But it's, you know, in the touch and in the way you play.
It's like anyone. It's like Jimi Hendrix. You play the same notes, but you can't get it sounding like
Right,
Hendrix.
Exactly. So it's more just how you play it and how you make it sound. So, you know, you can play the same riff in the pentatonic scale 100 different ways, you know, just in the way that you play and the phrasing and just the delicacy and how you use it. You know?